Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Young Researchers. In today's video we are going to discuss how you can insert different symbols in your Word document while you are writing any kind of assignment or thesis or research paper. So for inserting some symbols like alpha or degree Celsius or lambda, you need to go to insert option when you open your Word document. So I will click on in this insert option, and here you can see an option of equation and symbol. So when you click on this arrow of symbol, these symbols will appear to you. So if you want to write theta less than greater than beta alpha or anything like that, you can select from these option, or if that symbol is not here, then you can click on more symbols here and a box will appear to you. So you can select any symbol that you are currently looking for your Word document. So you can scroll it down and you can find all the symbols from here. And if you are unable to find by this way, you can click on this subset and you can choose whatever the symbol type is there. So if you want some basic Latin symbol, so you can select from these, and then you can add like this at the rate or and or steric sign. These can also be used and these can also be inserted in your Word document by your keyboard. But some other symbols like this kind of plus minus greater than less than, you can find them below, and some other kind of letters in Urdu language, they are also here, you can also insert them. So the question here is how you can insert them. For example, if I want to insert about if I want to insert this greater than symbol, then I will click on here and then I will click on insert option and then close. So here you can see that this symbol has been inserted. So you just need to select the symbol of your choice, then click on insert and then close. So this symbol has been inserted into your Word document. Similarly, if you insert some other symbols like this one delta, you can insert from here. And if you want to insert other symbols of lambda max or micro or alpha, you can also insert them. So you can just go to symbol, search from the box and then click on it, go to insert and then close the box, so that your symbol has been inserted into your Word document. So thank you very much for your watching. Stay tuned with Young Researchers. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.